Well, I do believe all my fall cleanup is done, with the exception of tidying up the garden area a little bit. I was able to get my beans down, all my tomatoes, everything is good. The only thing I haven't done yet is my pineapple sage. It is getting ready to flower, so I don't want to disturb that, and hopefully it flowers before it frosts, and then I can attempt to dig it up and get it ready for the greenhouse. I gathered all the plants that I want to attempt to keep alive in my first year of having the greenhouse, and I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of the progress we have made so far. We still have quite a bit left to do. It is mid-October, and our goal is to be complete with this greenhouse by mid-November. And we are cruising right along. You can see we have a structure. Windows are in. We have a few more windows we need to add up here at the top, and some of these side areas here next to where the door will go. I'm currently painting the second door. This is a 16 by 12. We did our trusses last weekend, and this weekend we are going to try and close the gaps and start caulking and painting the frame. So you can see I'm more than ready to be in this greenhouse. I can't even explain how excited I am. But I dug up, as you saw, all my lemongrass. I usually buy 3 every year for my front. Got some basil, all of my chives. These 2 are onion. This is garlic. I want to see if I can get these morning glory just to kind of wrap around the inside of the greenhouse. Probably buy a string system of some sort. A pineapple sage start that I did. My dipladenia. Purple sage. My vinca vine right here. And I always forget the name of this sage. These 2 are the big bushes that I have out front that are a really nice ground cover. So this is it. A few videos getting ready to come up of building up to where we are at right now. Very exciting. It's going to be absolutely beautiful, and I will probably live in here in the winter. Keep an eye out for the next greenhouse videos. We've basically been taking you step by step as we build it. Thanks for watching.